Hi, students. I wanted to talk to you today about what we would have done in class. I know class was canceled, so that's unfortunate. But instead, what I'm doing is making this video, and I'm hoping to tell you about what to do today in order to keep up with the class and on over the spring break. Okay, so first of all, what we would have done today in class and what you should do for homework is finish the handout, the worksheet for pages 105 to 125 that I gave you on Tuesday. Okay, so you're going to write three significant ideas and why they're important here. And of course, one of the significant ideas that happened in this section of the book is when Richard was on the bus and lit Sasha's skirt on fire. So that would be one significant event. So come up with two more. Then on this narrative writing technique section, I would like you to notice the three action verb sentences. And these are sentences that our writers often use when there's a lot of action happening, like in this section of the book. Dashka Slater uses sentences that are three actions, like in number one, Richard glanced at Jamal, grinned, and flicked the lighter a fourth time. So we've got glanced, grinned, flicked, three past tense verbs showing that the action is happening very fast. Okay, so do this section. It asks you to look for a few more examples of three action verb sentences on these pages here and write those sentences, and then combine three separate sentences. I wrote three separate sentences in this section. Combine those sentences into one three action verb sentence, just like the models up here. Okay? For the questions, you can skip this part, but I would like you to focus on the vocabulary chart. So as you can see, there's a chart on the third page of the handout with nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. So these are vocabulary words from this section of the book. I would like you to fill in the blank boxes with the different forms of the verbs. So for example, advisor, what's the verb and what's the noun for those? And apply what you know. Choose five of the words and write five sentences about the 57 bus from the words you chose. Okay, so please complete this handout. I'm also going to post on Canvas today 4 discussion questions about the article that I gave you to read on Tuesday. So the article was entitled "The Effects of Childhood Trauma." You got a copy of that, but I also have the article posted on Canvas. You can find it on Canvas if you can't find your paper copy that I gave you on Tuesday. And I want you to be able to answer these 4 questions, the 4 questions that I'm going to post today about that article. The reason why those 4 questions are important is because they are the main ideas of the article, but I also want you to understand that these ideas, because this is kind of the topic of the second essay that we're going to start after spring break. So it's important to understand this article, understand the causes and effects of childhood trauma, think about those causes and those effects with relation to Richard, because our second essay is about Richard. Finally, what I would like you to do is read pages 126 to 146, the next 20 pages of the books, over the spring break. So you have to read 20 pages over spring break, which I don't think is so bad. And then we'll discuss those pages on March 24th, which is the Tuesday that week beginning after spring break, excuse me. So the week after spring break. So in case you haven't heard, spring break has been moved to next week, starting on the 16th of March. So no classes, you're on vacation, nothing to do. But starting on the 23rd, we will, the week of the 23rd, so on the 24th, we will have class again. I will be posting videos, I will be posting handouts, I will be posting discussion topics on Canvas so that we can continue class um, off campus remotely through Canvas. So you don't have to come to Laney. And hopefully we'll be back in class on April 7th, which is the first Tuesday in April. So hopefully Laney campus will open again, or classes will begin again on April 6th. And then I'll see you on April 7th. Okay? So email me if you have any questions. But this is the homework for today and for spring break. Have a good break, relax, and take care of yourselves. Bye.